This is Mark, your other chopstick guy with your small bite of the day. Hey, I'm standing here on the set of Westworld. We are in the center of the maze. But you know, is there any times when you get really stuck in this rut where you just don't feel creative? You know, I think one of the problems is we get so worried about the process of photography. You know, our settings, we try to get too technical, we worry about our composition, where we just forget about why we started taking pictures in the first place, and that is just simply because we love taking pictures. So rather than being worried about the process, just go out and worry about just having fun. So this is Mark, your other chopstick guy, with your small bite of the day.